So, hey, what's up everyone? This is your Queen Salise, and welcome back to my channel. So guys, for today's vlog, or for today's video, we are going to do another unboxing. So guys, merong kakaligo ko lang, as you can see, very basa pa ng hair ko. And meron kasi akong gagawing vlog mamaya. So, mag-unbox tayo ng dalawang PR package, guys. Kasi nagpadala sa atin. I think this one, guys, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, is from IceFav. Ayan, IceFav is a contact lenses. Pinadalhan nila ako. So, open natin. It's another PR package again from French Avenue Perfumes. So, excited to open it. Alam mo, si French Avenue at saka si Street Origin, hindi na nila sinasabi kung papadalhan nila ako o hindi. Basta may tatawag na lang na Aramik sa akin na, "Ma'am, there is package for you." But I am thankful to God for that, diba? Na kwento ko nga at pinost ko sa aking Blue app, guys, na French Avenue Fragrance World is one of my answered prayer na makakakollab, guys. So, buksan na natin tong isa, guys. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali ha, this is from IceFav. This is a contact lenses. Oh. Hindi. Mali ka. Hindi siya contact lens, guys. This is from Tiam. Okay, this is from Tiam, guys. This is a serum. And, let's open. So, eto. Buksan na natin, guys. Akala ko kasi contact lens kasi maliit. Tsaka, ine-expect ko kasi yun dahil, papadalhan nga nila ako. Nag-message sila sa akin. Then, pinipili nila ako ng color. Pumili ako ng 4. So, ayun. This one is from Tiam. Yeah, this is a Tiam brand. This is a skincare, guys. This is a Panthenol Moist Cream and Vitamin C for Surprise Serum. So, they send me a 1 serum and 1 cream to try. So, abangan nyo ako sa mga susunod kong vlog. I am going to try this skincare product. Okay? So, next guys, go na tayo sa ating French Avenue perfume collection to open. So, upside down ko siya i-open kasi mahirap doon sa side na yon. Oh, wow, dami. Uy, 4. Uy, ang dami. Ang dami, guys. Okay. They send me a 4 items, guys. 1 jasmine perfume from French Avenue. This is a jasmine perfume. They send me another perfume. This is Ripple Jasmine. They send me also this Grow. Grow, grow, grow your boat gently down the stream. And this is Liquid Brune. Ayan. So, they send me 4 perfumes, guys. This is a 4 perfumes from French Avenue. Ay, dami. Excited to open this, guys. Gusto nyo ba buksan ko na ngayon dito? Sige, pakita ko sa inyo. Let's unbox this. Unbox natin ng bongga. So, anong gusto natin unahin? Unahin na natin tong Grow. Grow, grow your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, merrily, marry me when I have a dream. Okay. Oh, ganda ng packaging talaga. Ay, grabe. The bottle itself, guys, is wow na wow. Nakakagrabe ng energy. Grabe. Oh, look, the packaging na naman. Talaga naman, French Avenue. Ginagalingan mo palagi. Look, guys. It's so nice. So, yayamanin. I want to spray once. Ay, ang bango. I think this one is for men. This is so nice. Really nice. And amazing. Grabe, ang ganda ng packaging. Grabe ka. Char. Grabe sa OA. Hindi, ang ganda lang talaga, guys. Kung nandito lang kayo, At nakikita nyo siya ng personal. Mas maganda siya in person, promise. And diba, parang book. Oh, ganda. Okay, next one guys is itong Liquid Brune. This is a limited edition, guys. Limited edition ni French Avenue itong si Liquid Brune. I think this is their new perfumes. Itong sinad nila sa akin. Wala kasi silang message sa akin kung ano ang gagawin. Oh. Oh, tapos paano siya bubuksan? Sabihin mo sa akin, paano ka bubuksan? Hindi ko alam kung paano magbukas. Ay, eto. Oh, ganda! Grabe, ang ganda ng box. Hindi ko itatapon itong mga box na to talaga, guys. Look, guys. Dan. Ang bango! Binuksan ko pa lang yung box, ang bango na agad. Oh, ganda! Ang bango niya! May parang oud na chocolate na hindi ko maintindihan na something fresh na lavender na may cardamom. Oh, diba? Nakalagay dito, the top note is citrus, fresh, lavender, cardamom. Middle note, orange, blossom, rose, gyok, wood. Oh, sabi na may wood eh. Amber, dry, vanilla, tonka, oak, moss. Diba? Hindi ko naintindihan. Okay, this white, guys, this is a Jasmine perfume. Itong Jasmine na to, let's open it. Okay. This one is dito mo bubuksan. Ay! Grabe. Tingnan nyo ha. Hilahin nyo to. Tapos, open yung ganyan. Dan. Grabe sa packaging. Ginalingan nyo talaga French Avenue. Grabe. Alam nyo ito sa mga perfume collector, guys. Si French Avenue, isa siya sa number 1 talaga na hindi, isa talaga si French Avenue, guys, na pwede nyong pagkolektahan ng mga perfume. Hindi lang siya basta mabango. Ang gaganda pa ng packaging, ng bottle. It's so luxurious. It's so cozy. The vibe is there. Gusto niyo yun? Paka-arte ko dun. Hindi. Amoy fresh to. Bagay lang sa bagong ligong kagaya ko. So guys, tingnan natin yung mga top note and everything. Grabe, ba't ang gaganda ng packaging nyo? Guys, this is a family floral woody musk. Top is linden blossom, jasmine sambac broom. Middle is heliotrope, vetiver, orange blossom. The base is dry wood musk. Grabe. Grabe ka na, French Avenue. Sinasabi ko sa'yo. Ito namang isa, guys. Buksan na natin. Grabe mga perfume na to, guys. Talagang... Ito si Ripple, guys. Ay, ang ganda ng box niya. Napaka parang matte and parang... Sobrang klase. Tingnan nyo. Diba? Paano ka binubuksan? Ay, grabe. Tingnan nyo. Buksan na yan! Dang. Uy. Feeling ko fan lalaki to kasi vlog siya, diba? Fan lalaki. Ayan. Wait lang. Ganda. Ripple. Ripple, it looks like an eye, diba? So, yun na lahat, guys, yung mga perfume. Binuksan ko na sa harap nyo. Diba? Sobrang grabe. Sobrang gaganda ng packaging niya, guys. The smell itself. Kung meron akong isa sa pinaka-favorite dito sa naamoy ko sa apat na to, etong grow na to. Ito yung pinaka nagustuhan ko yung amoy. Ito siya. Para kasi siyang, basta, pasadong-pasado siya sa ilong ko. Though lahat, pasado siya sa ilong ko. Pero ito yung nag-stand out. Itong grow. So, yeah. And also, if you want to check this Tiam brand na skincare, you can check their Instagram. Guys, ilalagay ko dito yung French Avenue na Instagram at saka dito tong Tiam na to. So, try to check all their perfume collection and even this skincare, guys. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Bye everyone! Mwah!